Alright, so honestly, I can't believe I'm making this video simply because the problem seems to be almost identical to the Note 3. So without further ado, let me begin the instructions. First and foremost, this one, it's way more difficult comparing to Note 3 in terms of how to open it, so please guys pay attention, don't make a mistake. I want you to know that usually there's like some sort of a adhesive that's been applied all around the screen, so when you're trying to take this off you have to actually be very careful, and especially not to pry anything, like not to place any sharp object in this area where the back button and the menu button is. So, but taking it off, that's an easy process. Don't worry about it, although it does take a little bit of nerve-wracking moments, yet it's easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove all the screws and come back. Alright, so yeah, you need to remove almost everything: battery, the memory card, SIM card, and the S Pen. So from this point you actually have to press against this black piece and the phone itself, the chassis, in order to pop it open from one spot. So this is a very delicate process. There you go. So I basically press my hand against this little side of it, and I'm going to gently open it from there. Now once it's open, carefully remove it. Alright, so in the past when I opened it, I actually used a little sort of a super glue, but not one of those that leaves debris afterwards on the corner, mainly around the actual back cover itself, in order to like properly hold the screen. But anyway, now the moment everybody's been waiting for. On this back cover, which by the way, I have actually purchased this cover because I wanted this chrome finished to be intact, and then I went ahead and did some sort of a Frankenstein move where I remove a black button. It's just a beauty. I might even turn this into a complete black, but anyway, right here, believe it or not, right about, if this thing can focus for reals, Jesus, so sorry man, I don't know why. Now this is supposed to be like a good stuff. Anyway, alright, this is the best I can do. On the back of the back cover, there's this little piece right here that goes here. Now, for those of you who are having some issues with the GPS, one way to figure out, if this technique is going to help you or not, in front of the phone, the actual speaker, so this is going to be on the left side where the sensors are, the proximity sensor right here. So just press your finger up against it while holding, when everything is back, attached to each other. So just pinch it, and if you see that your GPS is getting inaccuracy, just like the Note 3, what you need to do is come back here, lift this pins up, freaking god, why is this so out of focus? Anyway, so yeah, lift these pins up, scratch it, and hopefully you'll get the same result. Now if you do have electric cleaners, that will do even better, but don't apply it straight on. Like use a little like a ear wax stuff that, you know, it has a little cotton on top, and gently, you know, clean this contacts over. The main reason why I'm opening it up, actually, again, I managed to break my S Pen sensor, so that's the replacement unit. And yeah, I believe I already made a video regarding how to do that, so you guys, I hope this helps again, and good luck with your Note 4 and Note 3 and Note 4 forever. Yeah.